Yeah, that's what I want. That's you wonder what she wants.
Yeah.
She's gonna give you the house. She's gonna give. Oh,
Oh shit.
how the hell he do that?
I don't know. Well, I guess I should go Lamar, huh?
Yeah. Really?
Oh my god! These people! No wonder they kill everybody.
Broken down, look.
For what?
Broken down.
No.
Well, you parked in the
Because I'm
circle.
legally taking my break.
You can't
By
legally.
law, I have to pull over and take a break.
Yeah, I know all
This
about
is the safe
Taco.
place to do it.
No, it's not. You can't park on a solid sort of white line. Circle line. Well, you can tell it to the magistrate, can't you? Simple as that, lad.
I've got to take my break, man. It's more nuts.
Don't matter. It's a solid white line, circle line. Don't matter about your taco. It's up to you to plan your taco break and make sure you've got enough time to park somewhere safe. That's the way it works. I know how fucking taco works, lad.
Well,
You are not allowed to park in the solid white line, circle line.
Your own question, then I'm on my break.
Yeah, but you can't legally, you're not allowed to cross that line in a motor vehicle. You can't use the circle line as a rest area.
Where does it say cycle lane here?
What the fuck? Seriously, you drive a HGV and you don't know the basics of that.
This is a cycle lane.
I've looked at your entrance. It's a solid white line. Motor vehicles are not allowed to cross the solid white line. So you don't even know the basics and all that. Mate, tell it to the magistrate. You can tell it to the magistrate. It's not bothered. You've broken the law. You've took the piss, parked in a solid white line circle line. Take responsibility for your actions. You're either going to get a course or 100 quid and 3 points. Suck it up, walk up. Don't park there and take the fucking piss. You don't fuckers doing it all the time.
傻逼呀！Fucking idiot!
他突然要变道了，
差一点儿。
差点危险危险。
You stupid!
Should be able to get a ride from here, I would think, easily, right?
Continue on Terminal Drive for half a mile.
Dude, what is your bad driving situations, guys? Cops are right there. And you're like, dude, he's aggressively pushing this car. Like
They
road
must-
rage.
They know each other, obviously, I would think.
Doing damage to the back of his bumper, like, I don't know.
I'm in
I know.
Ooh.